Is it time to buy or sell XPeng stock? In this video, we will explore XPeng in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, and now we're providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of August, 2025, our system has ranked XPeng as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.15. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 3.56% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 17.28% to positive 4.12%. When considering the longer term, a 12-month analysis projects a change of 65.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 54.61% to 165.17% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $30.77 and $52.77. Our latest daily update for XPeng features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for XPeng Stock Price After Monday Trading. The XPeng stock price increased by 1.02% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, rising from $19.70 to $19.90. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.57%, reaching a low of $19.62 and a high of $20.32. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 5.51% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 5 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 11 million shares were exchanged for approximately $219.8 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $27.16, while the lowest price was $6.65. Currently, the price is 26.73%, or $7.26, below the 52-week high, and 73.29%, or $54.59, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $74.49. XPeng headlines this week with a carefully balanced mix of catalysts and risks that traders should monitor. The company is set to report its second quarter results before the U.S. market opens tomorrow, emphasizing revenue, margin trajectory, and guidance, a classic short-term catalyst that could significantly influence the American depository receipts. Delivery momentum is noteworthy. July deliveries surged by 229% year over year, and management indicates that XPeng could aim for approximately 500,000 deliveries this year if this momentum continues, which would bolster near-term revenue growth. On the strategic front, XPeng has expanded its electric and electronic architecture collaboration with Volkswagen. This architecture is set to be integrated across Volkswagen's electric vehicles, internal combustion engine vehicles, and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles platforms in China. A move that could foster long-term technology licensing, scalability, and recurring software revenue. However, XPeng still lags behind its peers in gross margins, and broader electric vehicle sales in China experienced a month-to-month decline in July. Additionally, tariff and geopolitical concerns have put pressure on Chinese electric vehicle stocks. In the short term, anticipate volatility surrounding the earnings announcement, delivery updates, and any tariff-related news. In the long term, the partnership with Volkswagen and strong delivery growth could support positive outcomes if XPeng can enhance its product mix and margins. Conversely, persistent margin deficits or escalating trade risks could limit potential gains. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned XPEV a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, it was reported that Macquarie rated XPEV as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs gave XPEV a buy rating accompanied by an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated XPEV as overweight with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned XPEV a market perform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned XPeng stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have provided the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for XPeng. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. XPeng stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, presenting a favorable outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $20.12. In the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at about $18.72. A breakthrough of the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a decline through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 2.68%. Additional increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. A buy signal has been indicated. Pivots. A buy signal emerged 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal was noted 6 days ago. Short-term moving average. A sell signal occurred 4 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was identified 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. Upon reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 42 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for XPeng. XPeng finds support from accumulated volume at $19.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 0.7% between its high and low, representing a change of 3.57%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for XPeng, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at -$1.06. It is essential to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for XPeng. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for XPeng is at $19.98. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, XPeng encounters its first support level at $19.33. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.94, indicating a decline of 4.81%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which suggests a medium level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that was established 2 days ago. Is XPeng stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we believe the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis for this stock since our last evaluation, moving from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of August, we anticipate XPeng will open higher by approximately 4 cents, starting at $19.95. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.